Welcome to my first video log. I've never done one of these before, so bear with if it's a bit weird. Hello and welcome to the new unit. We've got this heap which I shall take drifting. Never been before. Let me give it a good go. Let's do a quick little showcase. Car up in the air on the axle stands, high as I can. So I'm going to squish underneath. 3, 2, 1. There we go, up in the air. Seals are really crusty. We're down on the ramp, but that's not ready yet. Get the bolts and try and bolt it together. So I needed a new gasket for this decat pipe here. But I've been told the generic gasket just blows through and lasts about a week, so I had to get something made by some guy on Facebook. This gasket material is from Australia. I don't know, apparently it works. Worth a try. You see, cut it very well. I don't think so. Yeah. Let's get cracking. I did treat myself to a lovely, brand new Alpha's Advanced socket set. Check it out. Oh yeah. You swivelly fellas. Ooh. Big old breaker. Like the old kit where the breaker bar was about this big, but useless. These little fellas. They go inside your ratchet spanners. And you can fit on. It's about 1/2 inch. 3/8 drives. Pretty cool, never seen those before. Some nice impact sockets. And just a few bolts to put it together. That was loosely put on, just make it easier when I put the rest of the bits on. It is missing an O2 sensor. I'll find one somewhere and wire it on. This is a standard bit. Look at that lovely bit of kit. Lovely. Oh, I think I shall need a new gasket. Luckily I got a spare one. Couple of bolts. That should be easy. Should be. There's no hangers, so I might struggle a bit. But the back box does have hangers. On the back there. Nice. Go. That's on nicely. It should sound okay. Toro Sports. Might have a leak maybe. which you shall see now for the back box. So it turns out that I have already got a couple of hangers in here. Hooray! Because it's going to be zip tied anyway. And someone had made a horrendous exhaust system the whole way. Welded all those flanges together. They were damn nasty. You see, it fitted really well, really nicely. What? Hot tip though, WD-40 in there should slide straight on, but I don't have any. Just moved into the unit and let's push it on. So this has a thread in it. That's the thread in my bolt kit. Too big. I found these. They might fit. Or just get a gun and yeet those bad boys. That seems to go in okay. Maybe not. I'll give it a go. I'm gonna have to make sure that's on the right, yeah. And there's one there is there as well. That's quite lucky. Put that one on. Should be all good. So I found the O2 sensor I took off. I thought I would have lost it. I'm doing a bit of soldering. That's the right one. Should be good. And these were too short. And this one should fit, hopefully. Shall see. Oh no! So I think this used to have the weird spring set up. There's a big spring on the back with a washer. What was in here? I can't remember. But I need to get another one. Not tighten it up evenly. Right, that was more difficult than expected because it's on the floor. That's all rattle gunned up there. Sensors in. That flange is rattled up there. And it shouldn't leak. But it probably will. I'll get the keys and fire it up. Absolute beauty, look at that. Yes. That's blowing like. Right, so I gave up on that. Just gotta wait for the ramp and sort it properly. It's just leaking on one flange. It's pretty annoying. So, I want to look at this one. This is my import MX-5. Some SSR Longchamps rebuilt. There are puddles around here, explains the splish splosh of mud. So this was a 1.6, the engine died. So I've got a low mileage 1.8 and used a Flying Miata conversion kit, which is a pretty nice, easy install. You don't have to change any of the wiring loom, apart from extend a few wires for the cam angle sensor, which is on the other side on 1.6. From there to there, I've just used some crap tape because I'm lazy. Bride bucket seat. Into your roll bar. This wing, no idea what it is, but it's cool. I'll be doing another video of changing all of the coolant hoses. These are all old, pretty shagged, and that is not rated for vacuum. It's got a big, yeah, that's the pressure, not vacuum. So I've got a full kit for that. But I'm just going to put on this little dipstick handle, because everyone knows the MX-5 dipsticks do the old snap. And as you can see, nice. So what I think is, you have to chop it down. Got a shoulder in it, so you have to chop this down to a certain height. And the base of it should sit on, come to about there, I reckon. Just there. It looks like I'm going to have to sand the end down. A bit more round, you can see it's chewed a little bit. What's inside here is pretty round. Oh, there we go. Oh, nearly. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Let's tighten up the Allen, just there. Snip it up. It's a bit dirty, got dirty gloves. Much better. So this is a 323 rocker cover, which exposes the cams there. Which is quite cool. Not a very common piece. Paid too much money for it, but it looks cool. I do have a new bumper on the way. So destroy or die. So it should sit a little bit lower on the front, because everyone likes fake lows. That's the end of that episode. The first time talking to a camera. Feels weird, don't like it. Kind of successful evening. But yeah, thanks for watching. Tune in next time for the coolant hoses. Nice. Almost finished tidying up and nice one. Yeah.